4Runner that we just finished building for one of our customers. It's a 2022 TRD off-road, and we did a full build out. The customer ordered it straight from the dealership and had it trailered here, so it only has about 10 miles on it. And so we have upgraded and changed out everything on it. I guess we'll start at the front. We did a C4 low pro bumper with a worn Xeon Platinum winch. We'll be switching out this hook here to a Factor 55 Ultra hook, but we also added the Baja Designs 30-inch light bar. And the cool thing about this bumper is it is compatible with the Toyota Safety Sense, along with the camera that comes from Toyota. Also on the front, we upgraded the fog lights with some Baja Designs SAE amber fogs. And then for underneath, we upgraded the skid plate and added a C4 front steel skid plate. For the roof rack, we did a Gobi stealth rack, and then the customer sit.
It is a nice Corvette.
So for the roof rack, we did a Gobi stealth rack and then added the customer's rooftop tent on the top with some crossbars for ease of removal whenever he's not using his rooftop tent. The customer opted for some corner A-pillar lights on the roof rack instead of ditch lights to give him a little more visibility when off-road on those corner angles. For the suspension, we did an excellent upgrade. We did the Performance Radflow 2.5 with remote reservoirs and compression adjusters. We also upgraded to adjustable upper control arms. We did SPC here with the maximum amount of adjustability and ease of maintenance with the sealed ball joint. For tires, we did some 285 70/17, so some 33-inch BFG KO2, some all-terrains, and with some raised wheels. Now we're waiting from the powder coater for the rock sliders, but we will be adding rock sliders to this one as well. In the rear suspension, we also did the Radflow 2.5 remote resi with compression adjusters. Swing out tire carrier to get that spare tire out from underneath the vehicle. Also on the roof rack, we did add the ARB awning for him, complete with the room and the LED lights. And for some personal touches, we went ahead and did some vinyl wrap flag decals for him. Sent us some accessories for us to install. We did a RAM mount for his tablet display. We also upgraded and added some mounts up here on the top with some plug connectors so we can add some other accessories, maybe a Garmin, a tread, that kind of stuff. Also for electrical, we upgraded and added a Switch Pro panel so we could control all of his accessories, his lights, his light bar in the grill, and then also his air compressor that we added under the hood. And this is where we mounted that ARB dual compressor with ease, so it makes it easy for him to air up. And then on the other side, we did upgrade his battery. We used an Apex Overland Group 31 deep cycle battery tray to fit the bigger battery, and then this Group 31 AGM deep cycle battery. And then there's the Switch Pro panel. Nice clean install, keeps all the wires neat and organized. And here you can see we did a winch access for the box. We did relocate the box underneath for ease of access to get to the clutch. So you can disconnect and reconnect the controller. we also installed a GMRS radio and then CB hookups for later on down the road. In the rear, we did a goose gear plate system and a fridge slide for his Dometic, along with a hard wire kit so that his fridge is always on. And I believe that's about it. We also put together a recovery kit for him with some goodies, max tracks, and some things like that. So if you're interested in having us outfit your build, or you need some ideas and some inspiration, then come check us out, apexoverland.com, and we'll be seeing you.